Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to work on the roof, and as you can see, we just need to clean this up. Here we have everything already added. We have the window trim here and then the mullions, and we're going to make sure we don't have this part. So let's go to level 2, and what we could do is we could go right here and push this all the way out. By doing so, once we push this, we won't have this one anymore. That's a piece of the wall that is sticking, and as you can see, we fixed that part. Also, we need to add curtain grid so that we could add in the mullion. It's usually 500 and then 500 right here as well. Delete element, and then we could just delete this, and now click on mullion, and we just need to add that, add here and add there. So now everything looks good. I actually want to push this back. The reason for that is so that we could showcase more of this design right here. So now what I'm gonna do, level 1, is I'm gonna push this one all the way back right here. We could trim this one as well if you want, or just push it back. Go to 3D to see how it looks, and here we just need to edit sweep, and we're going to just click on path and pick path right here and trim this out. We need to pull this one all the way right here and then click finish. There we go. And let's not forget to add this paint and its parking stripe so that everything is same. And now everything is leveled properly. Like I said, I'm going to delete this for now. I want to have a ground here. So let's go to our south elevation. We're going to clean this up a little bit. As you can see, we have our level 1, and we could just create a copy. So I'm going to select this, extend it a little bit, select this, CO, go down around, I think 400 is good enough. Fix this and push this one back so that it's easily readable, and then this we could change this to ground. There we go. And this one, it's not appearing right here, so what we need to do is we need to just go to view, plan view, floor plan, and then ground. Press OK, and then now we have our ground right here. And if we go to 3D again, I'm going to pull this one down to the ground instead, and then we need to clean this up for sure. We need to add some stairs, and then right here as well we have a ground. I'm going to edit that and pull this one all the way at the back right here. Also, we need to add in our railing right here. So things that we need to clean up. So you can see we have it right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on curtain wall. So let's add a curtain wall, and I'm gonna use the curtain wall as a railing. I like doing this. The reason for that is it looks much better. There we go. And we just need to go back right here and pull it down. Then we can align it. There we go. And that fixed that problem right there. And at the same time, we know that we need to add something right here. I'm probably going to add grass on this area, and because of this I want my exterior wall. So the way you're gonna do it is you're just gonna hover on one of the exterior wall, click on tab, it will highlight everything, select that, so click it on your left mouse, and then here base constraint, change it to ground, so it will go all the way down. I don't want this to be seen, so we need to go edit boundary, go to level 1, and you want to make sure you want it to be from the inside. So now we just need to move this from the inside so that it's not showing up. There we go. So every corner needs to be moved, and then once you move everything, you just need to click finish, delete split, and as you can see, everything is still in the proper level, but we have a ground. And then here I'm planning on having all of this to the ground as well. So the road and everything else will be ground, and also here the border wall should be going base constraint to ground as well. So now this one looks much better right there. At the same time, what I want to do is extend this, right? So let's go to the ground, select here, edit boundary, increase this size right here, and then here increase this one because I want it to have, so let's make it 8,000 from grid line A. After that, we can easily push it all the way right here. If you want it to be aligned, AL, and align it properly as well. So now that we extend that, we could create the ground for the swimming pool area and the backyard. And because of that, it looks much better. I want to have an access to go from here all the way to the back, and from here all the way to the back. But I want another ground, so high ground and then low ground. I want this to be shown in the cliff, or maybe just a different incline. And here I'm just going to push this back a little bit. I want to change the grounding right here as well. So maybe I'm gonna just add another one level. And maybe just another 400. Lower ground. For some reason it's not letting me. Okay, so now we have a lower ground right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to set up another ground. So here I want the streets to be on the lower ground. This one should be on lower ground as well. And then this should be going up to the lower ground. I will have this one just going back right here. I want this to be an open area. Pull it back. I'm gonna put a gate here instead. This was going to be a open area, and here maybe I'm just going to cut it off onto this side. So the reason for that is I don't need to worry about how am I going to show this. So I just need to connect that. All of this, I want it to be all the way to lower ground as well. And then the way that I am gonna do it is we're going to have this is lower ground. Pull it close. There we go. And then we have the ground for the pole, and right here. So click on floor, edit, duplicate, floor number 6, concrete precast. For now, I'm gonna do on this area first. then trim it. And then here we're going to have grass on this part. We're going to extend this a little bit, and then we're going to have grass and then concrete for the steps. Okay. And then another concrete floor going down. So edit, duplicate, floor number 7, recast, let's add in one of the concrete right here. And add it onto this piece right here. Go to 3D. This should be at the ground. Okay. This is ground as well. And we're going to modify the sub element -400. There we go. And then this one as well. There we go. So now we will have something like that looks like this. And then here I'm able to just connect this wall right here. We'll be able to connect that. Obviously we need to have some trees right here, some grass. So I like that increase right there. You can move this one so that this one doesn't show. I'm planning to now unjoin this. So why not just extend this one? Like that. Or I'm just going to CS on this and have it added there. And then I could just fix this. Edit boundary. You know what I'm gonna do is make it shorter. Edit boundary, connect it. There we go. And then we could just move this all the way there. Edit the boundary right here. The only reason is I want a bigger runway for this. So why not increase it more? So that I could have a nicer steps here. Yeah, let me do that instead. L. There we go. Because this is extended, let's extend this and probably edit this boundary as well. Make it bigger or wider. And then this one as well. We're still going to have to add some sidewalks right here. Let's make this one 8,000. And there. 3D. We could edit this profile right here later on so that we could showcase the slant right here. And at the same time, we could have in a nice stairs right here going down. What I'm also going to do is move the door a little bit on this side so that we could add in some plants right here, and it will be a nicer way to showcase the stairs going down. And then because this is inclined, we could just show this one off as well. And then we will have a door right here, a grass part right here as well. And then we have the sidewalk onto this part. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.